Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung may be taking a move towards its foldable devices, knowing for sure that smartphones' brandings are everywhere, and I mean the latter in less of an omnipresent sense and more of an all-over-the-place idea. Because of the super commoditized nature of a smartphone, what we call every smartphone is as important as what that smartphone is, so names stick, and they accumulate reputation and identity that become very important to make your product stand out in a sea of Me Too's. That is why every Samsung phone is called a Galaxy and every Apple phone is called an iPhone. Call it a part of their identity, or a badge of honor. Names are important, even on smartphones. Samsung's lineup of foldable phones could be getting a new name when updated models arrive this year, and current events could be the reason. According to leaker Ishan Agarwal tweeted, that some European countries are now selling the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 without the Z in their name. Instead, the foldables are now listed as the Galaxy Fold 3 and Galaxy Flip 3. There's no official explanation for the sudden name change, and on Samsung's US website, the Z remains in place for both the Fold and the Flip, but the speculation is that Eastern European countries are dropping the Z so as not to conjure up any connection with the Russian and Ukraine crisis. Samsung has not rolled out the shorter name to the rest of Europe and the world, and there's nothing to indicate that they will be doing so, but a disjointed branding hurts the prospects of future devices, especially when the speculated geopolitical triggers behind this change continue to remain uncertain and seemingly indefinite. Within the narrow topical confines of smartphones, it brings us back to a situation where a name was forcefully introduced and familiarized and is now being rolled back, snatching away the newfound familiarity. Will the next Galaxy Foldable be called the Galaxy Z Fold4 or the Galaxy Fold4 across the world? Too early to speculate, but we hope for the latter, simply because it would make it simpler and easier to follow for everyone. After all, Fold and Flip seem to be the more critical parts of the phone's respective names, as those terms describe how the foldables actually work. The Galaxy Fold opens like a book to reveal a larger screen inside, while the Galaxy Flip looks like a flip phone of old. The Z part of the name is actually superfluous and creates a name that doesn't really roll off the tongue, but right now we will keep our finger crossed to see what Samsung has in store. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.